This is the scariest sound in human history. It's called the Aztec Death Whistle. It sounds like a screaming human, or 1,000 tortured souls. Imagine standing in a dark jungle, and suddenly hearing thousands of these screaming at you at once. The Aztecs used this psychological warfare to terrify their enemies before slaughtering them. Scientists say it was built to mimic the human larynx. A scream, designed by death. Follow ancient legends.